What's going on, guys? I'm Alex. We're back with another video. I know it's been a long time since I've had a nice long form video on the channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, you've seen I have been posting shorts consistently, but want to get back to the long form content. Thought I'd bring you guys along for the day today, rest of Friday. I just finished up a little work and then got a haircut. So we're gonna go finally pick up the iPhone 17 Pro. Finally came in. So I'm gonna go to the Apple Store, pick that up, and then we'll unbox it and then give some first impressions and stuff like that. So thought I'd bring you guys along. I do also, if you can't see back there, gotta go check or gotta go drop that off at the Spectrum store. That's the old router thing, so I gotta go do that too. So we may bring you guys along for that. And then also, if you can't see, terrible dirt on the car, so probably gonna get a car wash as well. So we'll do that as a part of the day. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so just picked up the 17 Pro. If you can see that, just got it strapped on in, making sure it's all nice and secure because my screen protector is not gonna be here until Monday. I did express shipping on it and it was supposed to come tomorrow, but it's not coming until Monday, so we'll see. All right, guys, we have made it back home and it is finally time to unbox the new iPhone 17 Pro. This is everybody's favorite part. Obviously, Apple does the best job at the packaging part. So we're going to go ahead and unveil it. And right off the bat now, I haven't had a silver iPhone or the white iPhone or anything like that before. My 15 Pro that I'm using right now to record is actually the blue titanium. You've probably seen it on my channel before if you guys have followed me along. But I have not had a light colored phone in terms of the iPhone at all, and this is the first year. So excited to have a change and see if I like the difference. Obviously in the box we do get a cord, no brick or anything like that. And overall, first impressions, I was really interested to see the aluminum unibody versus the titanium that they previously used. I have held them in the store and all that, but I'm just getting a hands-on here at home is a little bit different, seeing a real model that hasn't really been touched at all. So we're gonna peel this off the layer there. And boom. Really beautiful screen here. I was also interested to see if I would like or notice the two-tone. You know, this is actually a silver, maybe hard to tell on camera, but maybe not. The silver here, and this is more of a white tone here. So I was interested to see if I would like that or not. Obviously, each of the colors do have that two-tone look. Even the blue titanium or the blue aluminum does have a different color blue in the actual embed of the back, and then the orange obviously has a different tone of orange as well. So I was interested to see if I would like this two-tone look, and honestly, because it's kind of subtle, I don't mind it. I really don't mind it at all. I don't use cases on the phones, so that's kind of the next thing. I will put a screen protector on. If you heard me earlier, I did say that I do have a screen protector on the way. I got mine from TAC, and I will be installing that as soon as it comes in. I definitely want to protect the screen of this one. I made a mistake with the 15 Pro, didn't put a screen protector on and ended up cracking kind of just the top part, like right in here on this screen of the 15 Pro. So anyways, I want to definitely protect the screen. I don't use a case on phones. I like to feel the natural unibody of the phone. So I won't be using a case on this one either, but a screen protector is definitely going to be needed. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on and start to get it set up. I am going to do another video of kind of the setup and apps and all that customization stuff on the 17 Pro. So make sure you subscribe and take a look at that video. That'll probably be here soon. I am going out of town, but it'll be here soon. Yeah, I've got to set this phone up with the old device here out and switch everything over and sign into my iCloud and all that good stuff and get everything set up. So this will do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for riding along. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, if you're new to the channel and just getting to see this video, the first one. If you subscribe, there'll definitely be more. I'll definitely show some more tips and tricks and stuff like that. I've got some in the shorts if you want to take a look at the channel, but long form wise, make sure you subscribe. I will be having a couple videos come out here in the next week or so, more on the iPhone 17 Pro. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.